Jinan YIHAI Laser is a professional manufacturer in China, concerned with the design, development and production of laser machine. As a model enterprise of laser intelligent manufacturing equipment, YIHAI has been providing key technology and pertinent integrated solutions. For Industry 4.0, we supply high-quality machines to all over the world. Laser cutting sheet, laser cutting tube, industry laser welding, laser cleaning machine, bending machine, laser marking machine. Each product from YIHAI Laser is strictly examined according to ISO 9001 QCS CE standard before it is put on to the market. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.